In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to quote and share messages across different channels and conversations. It only takes 4 simple steps, so let's get started. First, find the message you'd like to reference and hover over it. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear. Go ahead and click on those to open the Message Actions menu. From the menu that appears, choose the Copy Link option. This will grab a direct link to that specific message, so you can share it anywhere. Now head over to whichever channel or direct message where you want to share this reference. Just click to open that conversation. Here in the message field, paste that link we copied earlier and press enter. The message will appear as a nice quote preview that others can click through to see the original. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to quote messages across Slack, making it easy to reference conversations no matter where they happen.